Rekindling the flame, embracing the journey of rebuilding. Relationships, like flickering flames, can dim after facing storms. Yet with care and dedication, even the faintest ember can reignite into a blazing fire. Rebuilding intimacy after a difficult period is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, understanding, and a shared commitment to nurturing the connection. Remember, every couple faces challenges, and overcoming them together can strengthen your bond in ways you never imagined. Embrace the process, and you'll find that the love you share is worth fighting for. It's important to remember that you're on the same team. You are partners working together to rebuild something precious. Approach each other with empathy and a willingness to understand each other's perspectives. This is not about assigning blame, but about finding a way back to each other. With open hearts and a shared vision, you can begin to mend the broken bridges and create a stronger foundation for your future together. Keep in mind that rebuilding intimacy takes time. There will be setbacks along the way, and that's okay. Be patient with yourselves and with each other. Celebrate small victories, and don't be afraid to seek professional guidance if needed. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. By taking it one step at a time, you can navigate the path toward healing and rediscovering the love that brought you together in the first place. Above all, approach this journey with hope. Believe in the power of your love to overcome adversity. Challenges can either break us or make us stronger, and by choosing to rebuild, you're opting for a stronger, more resilient bond. Embrace the opportunity for growth and rediscovery, and you'll find that the love you share is worth the effort. Subscribe to the Mind Detective channel for more insights and tips on nurturing your relationships. Understanding the cracks, unveiling the roots of disconnection. Before rebuilding, it's crucial to understand what caused the distance. Many factors can lead to disconnection in relationships. Stress from work, financial worries, family issues, or even societal pressures can seep into our relationships, creating tension and distance. Sometimes unexpressed needs, unmet expectations, or unresolved conflicts can fester beneath the surface, eroding the foundation of intimacy. Recognizing these cracks is not about placing blame, but about understanding the root causes. Have open and honest conversations about the issues that have led to the distance. Were there external factors that put a strain on your relationship? Are there unresolved conflicts that need to be addressed? What needs of yours are not being met? By identifying the source of the problem, you can begin to heal the wounds and rebuild a stronger foundation for your future together. However, remember that understanding the causes is only the first step. It's equally important to approach these conversations with compassion and a willingness to listen without judgment. Avoid accusatory language or bringing up past grievances. Instead, focus on expressing your own feelings and understanding your partner's perspective. This is about creating a safe space for vulnerability and honesty, which are essential ingredients for rebuilding trust and intimacy. As you delve deeper into the reasons behind the disconnection, you might uncover patterns or behaviors that have contributed to the distance. This is an opportunity for growth, both individually and as a couple. Consider seeking professional guidance to help you navigate these complex emotions and develop healthier communication patterns. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength and a testament to your commitment to rebuilding your relationship. Now, as we journey forward, it's time to rediscover the joy that brought you together in the first place. Reconnecting with those simple yet profound moments can reignite the spark. Remember, laughter and shared experiences are the glue that binds us. So take a moment, look into each other's eyes, and cherish the joy of being together. It's these small, everyday moments that build a lifetime of happiness. In every relationship, expressing appreciation and affirmation is key. Taking the time to acknowledge your partner's efforts and expressing gratitude can make a world of difference. Remember, it's the little things that matter most. Setting boundaries on negative discussions is crucial. It's important to recognize when a conversation is becoming unproductive and to take a step back. Agree on a time to revisit the topic when both of you are calmer and more receptive. This helps in maintaining a respectful and loving environment. Setting the mood for conversations can greatly influence their outcome. Choose a time and place where both of you feel comfortable and relaxed. Avoid distractions and make sure you're both ready to engage in a meaningful dialogue. This sets the stage for a more open and honest exchange. Embracing growth and rediscovery is an ongoing journey in any relationship. Be open to change and willing to explore new aspects of yourselves and each other. Celebrate the progress you've made together and look forward to the new experiences that await. Growth and rediscovery can bring you closer and strengthen your bond.